Hey everyone, I've been seeing this commercial ice maker popping up everywhere lately, bars, cafes, even small restaurants, and after digging into it myself, I get why. It's the EUHOMY 400 lbs/24H model, and it's getting a lot of attention for good reason. So today, I'm breaking down why this might be the right ice machine for your business or even a high-demand home setup. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about capacity. This thing cranks out up to 400 pounds of ice in a day. That's serious volume. If you're running a busy bar or a small restaurant, you know how quickly ice gets used up during peak hours. Having that kind of output means you won't be caught off guard when the rush hits. Plus, it comes with a 250-pound storage bin, so even if production slows down overnight, you've got a solid backup to keep things flowing. Another thing that stood out is how fast it makes ice. We're talking 11 to 20 minutes from empty to ready-to-use cubes. That's a game-saver when you're prepping for a Friday night crowd or a weekend event. No more waiting around for ice trays to freeze or dealing with slow countertop machines. This one just keeps churning out cubes as long as it's plugged in and water's flowing. Now, durability is key for something you're going to run almost non-stop in a commercial setting. This machine is built with stainless steel and has ETL certification, which means it meets safety and quality standards. That's important because you don't want to deal with malfunctions or safety issues when you're in the middle of service. The insulated design also helps keep the ice from melting too quickly, so you're not losing product or money. Maintenance is another big win here. The design is straightforward, easy to clean and maintain, which is a relief when you're already juggling a million other tasks. The water filter is simple to replace, and the interior doesn't have a ton of nooks and crannies where grime can build up. For business owners, that's a huge time saver. I also like that it ships in dual boxes. Commercial machines can be bulky, so breaking it into two parts makes shipping and handling a lot easier. No wrestling with oversized boxes or dealing with damage from rough handling during transit. One thing to keep in mind is the size. This isn't a countertop model, it's a full commercial unit, so you'll need dedicated space for it. If you're running a tiny cafe or a home kitchen, this might be overkill. But if you're in a bar, restaurant, or even a food truck with high demand, the space is worth it for the output. Another point is noise. Commercial ice makers aren't whisper quiet, and this one does have a hum while it's running. It's not deafening, but if your setup is in a customer-facing area, you might want to place it somewhere it won't disrupt conversation. So, to sum it up, this EUHOMY ice maker is built for high-volume use, makes ice fast, and is designed to last. It's not the cheapest option out there, but if you need reliability and performance, it's hard to beat. The link is below if you want to take a closer look. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. For most buyers, the real question is not whether EUHOMY Commercial Ice Maker Machine 400 lbs/24H ETL approval, industrial ice machine, 250-pound storage, ice ready in 11 to 20 minutes, stainless steel ice maker for bar cafe restaurant business sounds impressive on paper, but whether strengths like commercial use and ETL certification, EUHOMY Commercial Ice Maker and easy use control panel, take full control of your ice actually make daily use feel easier, more dependable, and more worthwhile after the first few days of excitement wear off. It is also smart to think about long-term satisfaction. A product like EUHOMY Commercial Ice Maker Machine 400 lbs/24H ETL approval, industrial ice machine, 250-pound storage, ice ready in 11 to 20 minutes, stainless steel ice maker for bar cafe restaurant business usually feels like the better buy when it stays convenient, comfortable, and reliable in normal everyday use instead of only looking good in the listing.